Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you the second online business that you can start from home without any investment. That is, trade your digital skills. In other words, become a freelancer. So if you are going to stay till the end, I am going to give you a gift that will help you to get clients on demand. So this is a mini video course that I specially designed for people who are struggling to send a proposal for clients when they interact with them in the initial phases of closing the deal. So these are the challenges that most of the freelancers in the beginning they face. So how to learn the digital skills, what kind of skills they have to learn. So whether they have to learn SEO skills or Facebook marketing or content writing. So I have covered all those details in this video, and how to build a portfolio to get clients, and how to charge clients, and other things that I have in detail given in this video. So trade your digital skills, and these are the digital skills that you can sell. So you can become a content writer, or you can develop apps or websites. You can become a graphic designer. You can do market research. You can do search engine optimization, or become a traffic expert, generate traffic using Facebook platform or Google AdWords or LinkedIn or Instagram, or most recently you can also become an expert at TikTok lead generation. So why you have to sell these skills? So what is the reason? So if you are planning to quit your job and make a stable income by spending quality time with your family and do the jobs and works at your will and at your comfort level, this is the best way. And when you start as a freelancer and build a portfolio and bring results to your clients, you can build multiple online business, like starting a digital marketing agency. You can become a consultant, and later on you can become an affiliate marketer, or you can even create your own courses to generate multiple streams of income for yourself. And if you are truly want to build a personal brand, or if you want to know in your space as an expert, you have to start selling your expertise, and network with people and get the trust of your clients, and give the social proof online. And if you are also seeking for extra income, second income or passive income, this is the best way. And more importantly, I have to stress over here for the beginners, if you are trading skills, you are not only getting the money for yourself, but you are practicing this digital marketing. So digital marketing is not a no, you cannot become good at digital marketing by just learning some new skills, or just consuming content whatever available on YouTube or Google, or signing up for some courses. The best way to learn the digital skills is to practice yourself. And if you trade your skills, if you talk to the clients, you will know the real problems of these guys. So what is stopping from them to grow their business, what kind of problem they're facing in their business. If you start understanding their problems and providing results according to their situation, budgets and needs, then you will gain that confidence, you will have the trust, and you will have that authority to build multiple online business and grow your online income 10x or 20x by becoming a consultant or selling your courses online. So also you will know the real problems of the market, and later on you can fulfill your dream of becoming a entrepreneur, a digital entrepreneur. So these are the good things to know before starting a freelance career. So how much cost to start, and what is the average time to make money, what skills required, and why I have to do freelance, and the cost to start this business is very minimum. And even if you can start without any money, if you have a proper laptop and good internet connection and some uh, connections in your circle or some friends, those who have business, you can just some clients uh, by interacting with your people who have business, or just go to the these collaborative workspaces where startups are there, and just pitch yourself, and let them know you want to help them, and showcase your skills. And the best way to showcase your skills is to start a blogging. And I have recorded a detailed video on how to start a blogging, and you can find in this my YouTube channel. So, what are the returns? So, as I said before, like you can gain the authority, trust, you can build your brand, and you can get connections, and also you can have the testimonials. Testimonials are very much important. They play a vital role in this new age of digital. So, like all the millennials and all people are looking at reviews and social proof. And if you are no 21 years, or if you are like very young, if you are giving good results to a senior people and some big companies, and if you are getting testimonial from them, the people, the startups and the business owners are not looking at the how much experience you have or how much knowledge you have. They are looking for what kind of results you have provided to the community, what kind of results you have provided to the other startups or other business, how much return on investment you have given to those business, how did you help them. Those are the things they are looking into. If you have a good testimonials and social proof, that will help you in the long run. And when you do this freelancing, when you deliver results for 3 to 4 clients, those testimonials are very much important for you to build your career online. And the average time to make money is less than 2 months. So you can just go and talk to your friends, and as I said, you can talk to the startups, and start working for free, because uh, treat it as an opportunity. So they are giving an opportunity to produce results for them. So with their money, you are getting an opportunity to solve real time problems. So you treat it as a uh, very good experience, and ask them testimonials rather than looking for money in the initial phase. So as I said, the skills required to start uh, freelancing is like you have to be good at 1 or 2 skills. You can be a good at content writing, or you can be good at setting up a WordPress websites, or you can be a good at creating nice video graphics and infographics, or you can be good at only one traffic source like Facebook marketing or Google AdWords. Don't you know become the master of all. Just focus on 1 or 2 skills and pitch those skills and get some initial clients, and show those results to the next clients and charge them. That's how you have to play this game. And with this you can become a digital entrepreneur. How you can do this, I'll show in the later part of this video. And these are the other key skills that you have to be good at. So you can start looking at how to do SEO for local business or e-commerce business, and you can generate lead generation um, skills. You can drive traffic using different platforms, or you can look into the automation kind of a thing. So uh, how you can automate the business process um, for a startup or for a real estate. So I have recorded more videos on this automation and driving traffic and the top 5 traffic sources as a digital marketer. You can look over those videos. These are the top 3 on-demand skills that are high-paying jobs. So traffic generation is the most important skills that you have to have a digital marketer, or when you're trying to be a freelancer in the digital marketing space, and how you can convert this traffic to sales. And the automation is also the one thing that the business are looking, because they wanted to streamline the process and reach customers in a quick time using the digital marketing platforms like chatbots or WhatsApp or email. So these are the tools you need before starting a digital marketing uh, freelancer. You should have multi-hosting uh, platform where you can uh, host your multiple websites and showcase those websites as your portfolio. So when you don't have any clients, or when you don't have any portfolio to showcase, just invest in a multi-hosting platform like SiteGround or Hey2 Hosting or Hostinger, and develop a real estate website, develop a education website, develop a restaurant website, develop a e-commerce website using WooCommerce, and design beautiful websites, and showcase these as social proof, and reach out to your friend circle or business owners that you know in your circle, or reach out to the startups and tell them I can build websites similar to these. And also you can start a Facebook page, or a Quora profile, or a Facebook group, or an Instagram channels for these segments. So if you have built a real estate website, start a Facebook page for real estate, start a Quora profile for real estate, and start an Instagram channel for real estate, and put some content over those channels, and build some audience over there, and design beautiful social posts, and come up with engaging hashtags, and show all these to your first set of clients as your proof. So these are the things that I have built. This is a page that I am running from last 1 or 2 months. This is the kind of engagement I have brought to these pages. This is the skills, this is the results that I am going to get. So when you show this, when the startups and small business, they will really want to work with people who show results. So those startups and small medium business don't have that huge budgets that an agency asks. So you have to look in this angle. So these startups and small business, they are the high risk taking people. They trust people with authenticity, who got transparency, who show this kind of enthusiasm. So show them these things and get your first clients, and give them the results. Definitely you will build your portfolio, and in the later stage you can charge more for the fourth client or fifth client or sixth client. And this is how you have to build your portfolio, and you ask video testimonials and put it on your website. And you can also take this initial set of clients and prepare some case studies and show in your second set of clients. And anyways, I am going to give you client presentation PPT video course for free. that is more valuable for you when you are starting as a beginner. How you can analyze website, how you can do SEO report, how you can give proper marketing research to a marketing research report to the client, how you can do strategy, how you can give projections, how you can persuade the clients with the presentation. So that will be a definitely a value added piece of gift from me. Watch out for that special link that I have put in the description of this video. And definitely, if you have your website and your personal Facebook page or Instagram profile, that will add as a social proof. So this is the one thing that I wanted to tell you. Is that you have to pick your niche. Niche is very important. Don't go broad. Don't be master of all, no, all marketing or all industries. So pick any of these niches. Become a specialist in real estate, or become a specialist in providing lead generation and engagement for restaurant industry, or pick education, or you can pick e-commerce as your niche, or you can do social media management for small business, or social media management for startups. Don't do everything in the first initial stages. So you don't tell that I will do lead generation, I will do social media, I will do SEO. So this will be like it will no. First you have to tell these guys what is the exact things that you are going to give, and deliver. Promise less and give more deliverables. So start with some social media management, or start with only lead generation if you are good at automation and good at Facebook AdWords. Otherwise you can be an expert and all, you can be lead generation for only health based e-commerce. So pick this niche and start identifying your local businesses or startups, or just go to Just Dial, or just go to Suleka and other yellow pages kind of a thing, and look for some people who have some websites, and check if they are doing any Facebook AdWords or Google AdWords, and find out what are the mistakes they are doing, and what is missing pieces in their. Go and study their websites, their social channels, and make a proper report and present to those guys. So that should be your strategy to get the initial set of clients. So this is a blueprint for a freelancer on the opportunities that they have when they build a successful freelance career in the initial stage. You have to start as a freelancer and pick up your own niche and deliver 10x results for your clients, and get their testimonials and trust, and build that personal connections, and build your own portfolio, and then start your niche agency. And you can team up with two or three people who have complementary skills. So if you have a Facebook advertising skill, pick someone who is good at content writing, pick other guy who is good at SEO, and you form a team, and you pick that very specific niche with what you have started as a freelancer, and then you can position yourself as an expert in that niche in your particular area. So if you are in Mumbai or Bangalore, you can become the number one digital marketing agency for real estate in Mumbai. So that's how you position yourself, and that's how you get high ticket clients. That's how you charge more when you deliver more deliver good results for your clients. And in the meanwhile, you can also come across this affiliate marketing, and you can start making money through affiliate sources. And then at the later stage, when you got more expertise, when you are moving to give your agency services to mid-level companies and no top companies in your area, you can become an expert. You will be treated as an expert, and then you no need to do all the work. So you can become a consultant. You can guide their in-house team. If a client have their digital marketing in-house team, definitely they'll be looking at some consultant who will help or guide those in-house people. So once you have this expertise, once you have shown result to so many companies, you can become a consultant, and you no need to do all the works. Just you need to give a strategy, and you need to guide these people and charge more for your expert skills. And at the later stage, you can also create your own courses, or you can sell your own digital products. So you know how this online course marketing is booming in India, and you're going to, this is $1 trillion market. And if you create one online courses, it is scalable like a hell. So that's how you build these multiple streams of income as a freelancer. So this will take you time. So this will take some 1 or 2 years. So this is like digital marketing is like you have to practice, you have to deliver results for people, for companies, and you have to work on current industry problems. And that's how you build your personal brand. When you build your personal brand, then the sources of income is, you know, you have endless of income opportunities and multiple streams of income. This is the blueprint that you can model and keep. So as I said, you might have starting troubles. So just join my VIP Facebook group, and I'm going to do weekly calls in my Facebook group, and I'm going to tell you how I got my clients, how you can get testimonials, how you can build portfolio as a beginner, and how to charge clients, how to present a winning pitch. And I'm also going to tell what are the strategies, how you have to project, how you have to tell the truth to the clients. Don't tell that I'm going to give you 1,000 leads in 100 rupees. Don't overpromise. Don't do assumptions. Tell them the realities. Tell them it will take time. Tell them like this much of budget you need. So tell them the actual things. So when you tell these things, people understand. So business owners and startups, all these guys understands. So tell them the reality, tell them what you're going to give, and once you get the client, over deliver. So promise less and over deliver. Definitely they are going to love you, and they're going to give more referrals. You're going to get more referral clients, and more than that, you are going to gain real connections that will help you in the long run when you are going to build your personal brand. So these are the things that I am going to tell you more in detail in my VIP Facebook group. So as I said, I have given a link to the mini video course that is worth 970 rupees. So when you click on that, you will get a link to access for mini video course how to get clients on demand. Just go to the description and get your free video course. So if you found this video useful, if I added more value in this video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, and join my Facebook VIP group. The link is given in the description. Get your free course and connect with me on Facebook or write to me or connect me over Instagram. I'm going to do more specific videos related to online business and digital entrepreneurship. So watch out for more such videos on this YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.